Hey guys, I'm a roasted turkey, and we're back for another burping video. So let's just go straight into it. Right, let's get some more. That's some good ones. Let's try and get some more. Not bad so far. Let's keep going though. Ooh, let's keep going. Here comes the phlegm again. Let's keep going. Oh, that was anticlimactic. I've still got a lot of air down though. Oh, I think that was most of the stuck air. Okay, I'll keep going. I'll try and do a few more. That was a bit small. I'll try again. Right, I've got a lot sucked down at the moment, so it should be a big one in a minute. Right. It's just little ones. There should be a big one anytime soon, because I can feel it. If you haven't already, make sure to click the like button and subscribe. But here comes another burp. That was some of it from down there, but there's still a lot trapped in here. Oh, it's making my belly ache. Hopefully I can quickly get this to come up and then end the video, but... that was a lot of it. I still feel like I got some. I'll try breathing in some more. Well, there we go. I think that got out quite a bit of it. I think that'll do for today, guys. So thanks for all the support recently. We just hit 200 subscribers, so that's pretty cool. So thank you all guys for subscribing. Thanks for liking the video, and I'll try and upload more. Peace.